Hey, what's up guys, this is again Showtime DMZ back with another video, and Apple has released the new iPad Air. All new iPad Air. I think it is the fifth version of the iPad which we have to see, and so this is my breakdown and my review of all the new features that this iPad Air introduces with itself, including all the design changes as well as some internal things, and believe me, there are many such things, and also of course the compatibilities with the accessories, the price, the iOS version of this iPad, and way more. So if you're ready for this video of the review of the iPad Air, make sure to click like, subscribe, and here we go. Starting off with the new chipset that the iPad Air introduces with itself. It is the M1 chip, Apple Silicon M1 chip. And so this has 8 core CPU, which makes it 60% performance faster, and it has 8 core GPU, which makes it twice as fast in the graphics view, and it is twice as fast as the best selling Windows laptop in this price range. Of course, M1 has 16 core neural engine, which makes it operate on a much higher speed and on a much higher level. So this is a very big improvement from the previous iPad Air 4 that we had. It will make this iPad a much better beast of a device. And not to mention that this iPad M1 chip is the exact chip that we have in the iPad Pros, so that is a very big increase. That is just how powerful this chip is, that it is also used in the iPad Pro versions. And now next thing is the camera change, and there is actually a big improvement in the cameras, especially in the 12 megapixel ultra wide camera, which makes it available for the iPad to have the center stage feature, which basically allows a person to always be in the camera frame no matter how you move during the video recording, or for example in the FaceTime call, as you were seeing on your screen the video demonstration of how the center stage feature works. Now the connectivity is also improved because with this new iPad Air we have the 5G connectivity introduced, which makes this iPad twice as fast as the previous model. And the good thing is that not only do we have such good improvements in every single parameter, but also the old accessories are also compatible with this new iPad, such as the ones that you were seeing on your screen, such as for example the Magic Keyboard or the Smart Keyboard Folio. And this iPad also functions greatly with the Apple Pencil second generation. This iPad Air, of course, uses all the benefits of the iPad OS operating system, iPad OS 15, and the benefits and all the features of the iPad OS 15 are on your screen on the slide right now, so you can just simply take a look at all the new features or all the features that the iPad OS 15 has, which will be supported on this great new iPad Air 5 generation. Fifth generation. Also, with this new iPad OS 15 and with this iPad Air, the iMovie processes are handled even better than on the previous generations. So, iMovie has been rebuilt to work even better for the content creators, as well as this iPad Air 5th generation falls into the plan of Apple, making their products environmentally friendly till 2030. So this is built from environmentally safe compounds or environmentally safe materials to make Earth environmentally safer. Now, as far as the new color options or the color variants for the iPad Air 5 are concerned, there are quite a few colors. So, there are five in total. There are five new colors that are introduced with this new iPad Air, which you are seeing at your screen right now. So, the first one is the space gray version, which can be also called the black version, I think. Then there is the starlight, version, which is the mixture of a very light tone of yellow and white. Then there is the pink version, although it is called pink by Apple, but personally, I think it is the orange version in a way, pastel or orange color. Then there is the purple version, and then there is the all new blue color, which is a very soft mixture of blue and a very little amount of green, which is one of my favorite colors, and it is a very good color actually for the iPad Air. As far as the prices are concerned, it is very surprisingly enough, Apple hasn't changed the price for this new iPad Air. Even though it is the new generation, the price still stays the same. Base price is $599 or $599 for the iPad Air 5. And this iPad Air will be available to order on this Friday, and available generally on the March from the March 18th, 2022. And now let us don't waste time and just discuss all the detailed changes or all the detailed new features that this new iPad Air introduces with itself, according to the Apple's final slide for the iPad Air presentation that you are seeing on your screen at this very second. But if you are not interested in this very detailed breakdown, then you can simply leave the video, but make sure to click like, it will really mean a lot, and maybe subscribe to not miss any future videos just like this, as well as check my other review of another product from this Apple event, which is iPhone SE 3. Okay, so let's start first of all with the liquid retina display. So yeah, this iPad Air has a liquid retina display, as well as it has 5 new finishes or 5 new colors, as Apple has written on this slide, which are blue, starlight, purple, pink, and space gray. Then there is the 5G connectivity, which makes this iPad more connectable, like very fast connectivity is supported on this iPad. It is environmentally friendly. Then the 12 MP ultra wide camera is also supported on this iPad. It is the new camera for this iPad, which allows it a center stage feature, which basically allows us to always stay in the frame of the camera. Then it all of course uses all the benefits of the iPad OS. It is twice faster GPU. It has M1 chipset inside it, as well as colors are just beautiful, like the display colors, I mean, not the iPad cases. It supports all the previous accessories such as keyboards and the second generation of Apple Pencil. It has all-day battery life, has twice faster USB-C connection, and many other things that you can read on this slide as well. So yeah guys, that's it for today's video. Thank you guys very much for watching. If you like this video, make sure to click like, subscribe down below, and also see the iPhone SE 3 review that I also posted. And I'll catch you guys up there. Bye!